what is the difference between إنه ويلي. مرحبا كيفكم؟ This is Samer from Yalla Arabee team. I'm going today to teach you what is the difference between إنه ويلي. So because it's just confusing for the learners, because in English mostly is English the language, the explanation between the students. In English that it's same in English, or who. I met your friend Yelli, who you told me about yesterday. So in the same word we use different thing. هلا what is the difference between يلي وإنه? We will see. هلا if you are in rush, I can give you the answer immediately. The difference is إنه it comes after verb and يلي it comes after noun. هلا now we're gonna give examples to make it more clear, okay? هلا for example مين الممثل يلي؟ We see ممثل it's noun. Who is the actor that يلي you were talking about yesterday, for example? مين الشيف يلي طبخ الأكل, cook the food? مين الشيف يلي? You see, it's always before يلي there is a noun. مين البنت يلي? Who's the girl that? مين البنت يلي said hello a minute ago? مين البنت يلي قالت مرحبا من دقيقة? For example. مين الدكتور يلي عمل العملية? Did the surgery. مين الدكتور يلي? You see, always before يلي there is a noun. Here is the difference. Before إنه there is a verb. يعني always إنه there is verb before it. بعرف إنه هلا بعرف إنه I know that. بعرف إنه بيروت عاصمة لبنان. I know that Beirut it's the capital of Lebanon. سمعت إنك. So here you can change it, conjugate it. It depends the personal pronoun. So I'm talking about you male, for example. So I say سمعت إنك. I heard that you are sick. إنك مريض. هلا إنه when you talk about things in general, إنه you use إنه. But if you want to be more specific, you say إنك. Or I could say سمعت إنه for all the personal pronoun. أنت مريض and then أنت مريض. سمعت إنك مريض. بعرف إن ما بتحبني. I'm talking about her. I know that that and she together conjugated. إن ما بتحبني. She doesn't like me. This is song. Like if you want to search on it. بعرف إن ما بتحبني. بعرف إن ما بتحبني. بعرف إن ما بتحبني. بعرف إن ما بتحبني. هيك شيء. So بعرف إن ما بتحبني. سمعت إنهم عملوا حادث. I heard that they had an accident. عملوا يعني literally made. هني they إنهم. You see, so إنه always after verb. يلي always after noun. So this one it's always make the students confused because it's the same in English. So I hope I could make it clear. The differences between يلي and إنه. But sometimes it's like people say no. Sometimes we hear people starts the sentence with إنه. That's right, but something with إنه, right? So if you say كأنه, which is it seems كأنه سامر تعبان اليوم. It seems سامر a bit tired today. بما إنه since that. بما إنه مع إنه even though. So this thing we're gonna talk about it later. Soon, inshallah, with more details. But this is now just the difference between إنه and يلي. If you have other question, you can leave it in the comment, and you can surprise us with something like examples. Leave it in the comments, and if you have a mistake, we're gonna correct you. Was the answer for our students. They asked us on YouTube, and then I hope we could help you guys to make it clear. شوفكم